Your funnel looks great, but right now it's just a pretty picture. We need to turn it into a cash register. Today, we're connecting Stripe and PayPal in System.io. And here's the part that many people miss. There are 2 steps. Step 1 is connecting your payment gateway. Step 2 is enabling payments on your funnel page. And for PayPal, there's a 3rd step of configuring PayPal instant payment notifications to receive notifications in System.io. Skip step 2 and your checkout button won't work. Skip step 3 in PayPal and System.io won't receive automatic updates on the status of your payments. Let's fix that right now. I'm Keela and this is video 3 in my free digital product toolkit series. Your domain is connected, your funnel is built, but none of that matters if people can't actually pay you. This is where your business becomes real. I'm walking you through both Stripe and PayPal setup, plus the step most people miss that keeps their order button from working. Let's get you ready to receive money. First, you're going to log into your System.io account, go to your profile picture, click on Settings, and then click on Payment Gateways in the left navigation menu. Stripe is the best option for credit cards. Click on the blue Connect button. System.io now uses a direct secure connection. It will open a new window. You're going to log in with your existing account or create a new one right from here. There's a help document to help guide us through the entire process. This is what the screen will look like after you've entered your email address. You will then click on Connect, or if you do not have an existing account, you click on Create a new account. Then you're going to select the country where your business is registered and the type of business, whether it's an individual, company, or nonprofit organization. Then you click Continue. Next, you're going to verify your personal information. This step is very important. It prevents fraudulent activity, and it collects and authenticates specific information for activating payments via System.io. It's asking for your name, email address, date of birth, and your home address. And then finally, you're going to click Authorize access to this account. You'll then be redirected back to System.io, and the status will show as connected. For Stripe payments to work properly, the email and first name fields are mandatory on your order form. Next, let's integrate PayPal. You click on the same blue Connect button, and a new tab will open, prompting you to log into PayPal. Enter your email address and password, and then click Login. It's important to note that you must have a PayPal business account for this to work. Personal accounts won't connect. If you don't have one, you can upgrade your personal PayPal account to a business account for free. Do this first if you don't have a PayPal business account, and you can sign up for free at paypal.com. If you have 2-factor authentication enabled on your PayPal account, you'll be asked to verify your identity by entering a security code sent to your phone or email. Once logged in, PayPal will display a permission screen asking you to authorize System.io to connect to your account. Click on the Allow button to grant permission. After you grant permission, PayPal will confirm that the connection is ready. Click on the Return to System.io button to go back to your System.io account. This process may take a few seconds. Once complete, you will see your PayPal merchant ID being displayed next to PayPal in your payment gateways. Your PayPal account is now fully integrated with System.io and ready to process payments. To process payments through PayPal, you need to add the email address, first name, and last name fields to all of your order forms. If any of these fields are missing from an order form, you must add them. Now let's configure your PayPal IPN. This allows you to receive notifications in System.io. You may ask, what are IPNs? IPNs are instant payment notifications. PayPal Instant Notifications allow System.io to receive automatic updates on the status of your payments. You'll need to configure the IPN settings in your PayPal account to receive these notifications. You'll start by signing in to your PayPal account. You're going to click on the profile icon and then click on Account Settings. to display your account settings in the panel on the left. Then you're going to scroll to the bottom and click where it says Notifications. On the notifications, it will say Instant Payment Notifications here at the bottom. You're going to click on Update. Then you're going to click on the button at the bottom that says Choose IPN Settings. In the notification URL field, you'll enter system.io/payments/webhooks/listening-PayPal. For the IPN PIN messages field, select the Receive IPN Messages and then click Save. After clicking Save, you'll be redirected to a window that confirms that the payment notifications have been activated successfully. Here's an important thing to note. When your account is being verified, or when you have a restricted account due to PayPal verification, you may receive one of the following error messages. PayPal keys are incorrect, or you cannot set up integration with PayPal. PayPal returned a 10002. Account is restricted. If this occurs, you should contact PayPal support to receive guidance on how to resolve the restriction on your account. So you've connected the bank, but you haven't told your specific funnel to use it. Go to Sites in the top navigation bar, then you'll go to Sales Funnels, and you're going to select your funnel. Then you're going to click on Funnel Settings in the top right corner here, and you're going to see a screen that looks like this. At the bottom of the pop-up, you'll see check boxes for accepted payment methods. Check the box for credit cards using Stripe and PayPal, and then click Save. If you don't do this, your customers will see a blank space where the credit card info should be on your order form. And that's it. You can now accept payments. If this just saved you from launching with a broken order button, hit that like button, share it with someone you know it could help, and drop a comment. Are you going with Stripe, PayPal, or both? I want to know what you choose. If you want the complete digital product launch checklist so you never miss a step like this again, grab my free digital product launch roadmap. It covers payments, domains, emails, and everything you need to launch. The link is in the description. And if you're ready to move beyond the technical setup and into the strategy that actually drives sales, check out the Digital Product Launch Formula free training link below. Coming up next in this series, email deliverability. Because if your customers don't receive their product after they pay, you've got a major problem. I'll show you how to fix that in the next video.